Weight gain is a challenge faced by many. It's easy to gain, but hard to lose. It's a global issue, spanning across ages, genders, and lifestyles. The repercussions reach far beyond the aesthetics. It's about health, longevity, and quality of life. It's a struggle that sees many caught in an exhausting cycle of diets, workouts, and disappointments. The journey to weight loss can seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. And here's a simple, accessible solution to this problem: walking exercises. Walking exercises, often overlooked, can be a game changer in your weight loss journey. These simple yet potent movements can torch calories, rev up your metabolism, and enhance your cardiovascular health. They can also sculpt your muscles, lifting your mood and melting away stress. Most importantly, walking is universal. It's an activity that anyone at any fitness level can incorporate into their daily routine. So, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, there's a walking exercise for you. Let's explore 10 different walking exercises and their benefits. Each walking exercise has unique benefits, and incorporating a variety can optimize results. First up, we have brisk walking. This exercise burns calories efficiently, boosts metabolism, improves cardiovascular health, tones leg muscles, and enhances mood while reducing stress. It's simple, but don't underestimate its power. Next is power walking. This approach elevates your heart rate for effective fat burning, targets your thighs, calves, and glutes, increases endurance, and is great for overall fitness. Plus, it can be done anywhere. Interval walking is another fantastic exercise. It maximizes calorie burn, keeps workouts interesting, improves cardiovascular fitness, helps break weight loss plateaus, and enhances stamina. Who knew walking could be so versatile? If you're up for a challenge, try hill walking. This exercise works your leg muscles, burns more calories uphill, strengthens your core and back, provides a scenic outdoor exercise, and builds mental resilience. It's a tough one, but the rewards are worth it. Now let's talk about side steps, or lateral walking. This fun variation targets inner and outer thighs, enhances balance, works hip abductors, and helps shape your legs. It's a great way to spice up your routine. Walking lunges are next on our list. They tone glutes, quads, and hamstrings, improve lower body strength, increase flexibility, engage core muscles, and are ideal for shaping legs. Talk about a full body workout. For a dynamic movement, try high knees. This exercise burns calories rapidly, strengthens leg muscles, boosts coordination, elevates heart rate, and adds a fun element to your walk. Don't forget about calf raises. These strengthen calf muscles, improve ankle stability, enhance walking efficiency, and prevent calf cramps. They're quick and easy to do, making them perfect for any routine. Walking squats are another excellent choice. They tone thighs and glutes, work quadriceps, increase calorie expenditure, add variety to your walk, and shape your lower body. Finally, after all these exercises, it's essential to cool down and stretch. This practice reduces muscle soreness, improves flexibility, prevents injury, relaxes the body, and promotes overall well-being. It's the perfect way to finish off your routine. By mixing and matching these exercises, you can keep your routines interesting and effective. So go ahead, lace up those shoes and let's get walking. Adding these exercises to your daily routine is simpler than you think. Let's say you're used to taking the elevator at work or at home. Try switching to the stairs. Not only will you be burning calories, but you'll also be toning those leg muscles, boosting your metabolism, and improving your cardiovascular health. Perhaps you can park your car a bit farther from your destination, adding a brisk walk to your routine. This way, you get to burn calories efficiently and elevate your heart rate for effective fat burning, all while enjoying the outdoors. Even during your breaks, instead of sitting down, why not take a quick power walk or do a few calf raises? These quick exercises can target your thighs, calves, glutes, and even your core. They're quick, easy, and can be done anywhere. Remember, consistency is key. Small steps can lead to big changes. This is just the beginning of your fitness journey. We've walked you through the power of walking exercises, but there's so much more to explore. In our upcoming content, we'll be digging deeper into the world of fitness and weight loss. We're talking about diet tips tailored to your needs, exercises beyond walking that can accelerate your progress, and success stories that will inspire you to keep moving forward. Ever wondered how to make your meals work for you? We'll guide you through nutrition basics. Curious about other types of exercises? We're ready to introduce you to routines that will challenge you and keep things interesting. And who doesn't love a good success story? We've got plenty to share, real stories from people who've transformed their lives one step at a time. Stay tuned for more fitness and weight loss content to help you achieve your goals. Remember, every step counts.